As soon as your hands come off the hips, now you're going down. So it's a long down movement. Base, body, arms, relaxing down. You're still relaxing down. Still relaxing down as the hands are changing. Still relaxing down. Still relaxing down. Left hand comes into a fist, right hand covers over. Your base is still relaxing down. Drawing down the arms here. Drawing down. Drawing down. Under here, it's very hard to move under there. You feel you have to move from the feet, which is allowing the body muscles to relax. So you feel the back muscles dropping straight down. You feel the side muscles drawing. Arms are unfolding. Keep relaxing. Keep relaxing. Keep relaxing. You don't get to this point and then just drop down. You keep relaxing in the body muscles. Feel the emptying from. Feels that you're sinking into the ground, like you're standing in sand. You're sinking in further into the ground. When the foot is relaxed, then the calf muscles can let go and the thighs can let go. Even as they're coming up, they can still feel like they're relaxed. Body muscles relax down. You're dropping the chest. You're dropping the shoulders as you release. Sending out the arms. Sending out the arms. Sending out the arms. Okay? This feeling. Chest is dropping, shoulders are dropping to send out the arms. It's not just the chest, you're not just closing in like that. The back muscles are dropping down. Back muscles are dropping down to send out. But it's not that the whole body's dropping down, because you're pushing into the ground to come up. So you're pushing into the ground to come up, but the body muscles are relaxing down. Body muscles are relaxing down.